Here we are, boys. Lexus IS200. This one just a little rubber there. Just put all the ricey crap off of it. And nobody needs to see this ghastly crap.
Still hating that fucking spoiler. I like keep the spoiler on just for comedic effect for it. Every time I shut the boot, I have a giggle.
I actually feel bad for anyone that was driving behind it. They must have been terrified it was going to fucking fly off.
Yeah.
Smack them in the face.
Yeah.
Gone. Another piece of crap destroyed.
This baby was Polish. Be a lie with that shit.
Crap.
They're already doing it.
It does. She needs to get rid of this fucking piece of shit now. Oh, I didn't need the Phillips in the end. I thought it was attached to there, but it's not. It just pops around.
See?
We are still. I think we have to pop these here off though. Yeah, strip the threads out.
Ah, fuck. So obnoxiously large.
It's stupid, isn't it?
I'm keeping it on, but I fucking love it.
Whee!
Got a fuck kind of on the back in here, really.
Well,
It's only rice a bit though.
do you want to pull them off? Looks like a couple of 10 mils. I'll grab 8. Where are we going? And that one.
Shannon, I've got a better version of this song for you. Sunday! Don't fucking get this. Fuck me!
Do you want to hold the spoiler? Right. You can do a little wiggle. And now pull away.
I've got a back window.
Right, let's set the screw down.
Bit annoying, but never mind. Can I yeet this? Nothing better for it, bro.
Find something straight away. Right.
She jokingly put our bike up. Oh, bro.
Yeah.
The fucking towing loop as well.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing now.
Oh, you taking that off?
Yeah.
Kurwa! He was saying he tried to drift it once in like an empty car park, and there was like one lorry parked to one of the sides, and yeah, he like literally just ended up near the lorry and was like, yep, not drifting it anymore. Like, I was like, well, what diffs it? And he said, yeah, open. I was like, that's probably why, brother.
Chinese and scrap. I was saying to Andy, it's better to get a set of standard struts than it is even a set of max speed and rods.
Oh shit.
Okay. Like max speed and rods might be better for the looks and that, but you don't sell them.
Right, yeah.
You put a set of max speed and rods on and get off 50 quid.
Right.
Whereas you'll get 50 quid easy for 2 struts, easy. Like, so the sports suspension with the lowering springs.
Yeah.
It's a big deal, yeah.
Nice.
Definitely a vast improvement for us.
Yeah, buddy.
Right. Now I think it's a case of get it out, give it a good pressure wash.
Yeah, buddy.
Need to seal up these duct tape. They've got around it somewhere. Let's do that.
Wait a minute. Something just noticed, David, it's got 3 black wheels on it and 1 silver.
Yeah. Yeah, he's painted the wheels at some point.
I just have to silver in this super dirty. No, they are black.
Really folds up so you can figure out what to do with them.
I bet that take you off.
Put it like that for £1. Oh, I can't find that like that.
Huh?
No. Yeah,
Do you know who could teach me how to do it?
I don't
My
know.
dad.
Andy's trying to learn how to do it now.
My dad knows how to do it, bro.
Yeah?
My dad used to do full restoration builds on old classic fucking like 60s and 70s cars. He'd like literally strip it down to a full shell, down to chassis, like spray it and put it all back together. Really old cars, but he did like old fucking 4 Cortinas, fucking did a Maserati back in the day. That was his boss's car. He did that for him. Like, yeah, fuck, my dad's fucking clued in there. Can do that.
It's actual metal.
Yeah.
That's fucking disaster.
One that is metal when it's going to be fucking like fiberglass or whatever. But yeah, imagine that falls off. Fuck me.
Each to their own. That shit is spoiling off.
Just leave the flat fucking exhaust on.
Yeah, that's the problem now, that exhaust.
If you do take it off, please keep it, and if I do like that, I might put it back on.
I mean, it's so big.
Funny though. It just reminds me of the fucking Need for Speed Underground 2 days, mate. When I get to like exhaust and just whack that slider all the way up, because, you know, fat exhaust. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You know, back this out and stuff,
yeah, man.
Already starting to look better.
Let's have a look in the sun, actually, yeah. Mate, I realise it's the Goldie silver.
Give it a good wash.
Yeah.
She is running right now, even with that exhaust. She's got a patch needs welding in the seal there, and she does have a little patch on the other side needs doing. Otherwise, mechanically mint. Yeah, I can get her MOT probably beforehand. Full manual, full leather interior. Nick, I'd give him a couple blips. Just so you can hear she's healthy. She has the dark tail lights, the dark headlights. Here's a big That's pretty good.